Midway across BC is Boundary Country, and we explored this beautiful rugged area on the quest for the Boundary Country Geocoin Challenge, as well as finding unique places to explore and discover more history. Enjoy some wild adventures and stick with us right to the end of this episode to find an unexpected surprise. It's adventure unlimited as you join us to explore breathtaking Boundary Country. Our adventures began high above the town of Midway on the western edge of Boundary Country, which sits just above the US-Canada border on Highway 3 and includes Greenwood, Grand Forks, and Christina Lake. This Geocoin Challenge adventure rewarded us with fun and creative hides and spectacular scenery and the usual whack of wildlife. What I'm doing is getting some video.
That is one humongous fungus. Look at the size of that thing.
I know, that's what she said. So this is where our road ends. It won't be, the last geocache is right here, Mrs. Monkey's finding. The road continues up around through here. So we won't be driving any further, but if we kept going, this road right here, which has been partially disabled intentionally, will take you into the United States of America just around that corner.
There'll not be anything under here that I'm not expecting.
Nope.
Okay.
Just a geocache, which you were totally expecting. And a free ad for Cache Advance.
Oh, ew, as I stick my finger right where beetles.
Oh, and a big spider.
Oh, don't say that.
Got another one of these cute little ammo cans. These things are awesome. I don't know where you get these, but they're amazing. And this is the furthest east cache in this series that we were doing. Discover Boundary Country.
But just because we had headed furthest east to Christina Lake didn't mean we were remotely close to being done. There were still some cool caches and astounding sights for us to soak in.
So you count the right number of stairs, reach underneath, pull out the tag that has the how many steps to go down and what the next digit is.
Boy, I hope she's counting because I lost count. Found the next one? So we've got our final coordinates, and we're gonna go see if we can find this geocache now. That means we have to go all the way back up all these stairs. All those stairs. All the way back down from the river. And that very cool trestle behind me. Another one of those cool mini ammo cans. Awesome. It was now time to camp and get ready to hit the road for day 2. I always find it pretty cool when nature starts to reclaim man-made infrastructure. This is the old highway. I used to run through this area, and now it's a geo trail. It's a little bit further down the road. We came across some huge owls. Just hanging out down here, not sure what these guys were up to this morning. No, they're not. They're turkey vultures, now that I can see them. And once we verified we weren't vulture vittles, we unhoused some happy hides as we worked on claiming that coveted coin the cachers crave. A stop in historic Greenwood and another sneaky hide. Wouldn't you know it? We didn't get stumped here. We did, however, get a flat tire, and the good guys at Cal Tire helped us out.
Hey guys, we are just outside of the town of Greenwood. In fact, the city of Greenwood, British Columbia's smallest incorporated city. And we're at the Greenwood Tunnel, which is the site of another one of the great geocaches here on this, not a geo tour, Geocoin challenge.
We found more caches and interesting places, and even made some new friends, and in the end, headed to Grand Forks, but we weren't done yet.
Okay guys, it's been an adventure including a flat tire and just back and forth, all kinds of crazy stuff. But we just got our last password on the last cache. So we're here in Grand Forks and we're gonna go in and see if we can get our Geocoin. Well guys, there we go. We got our coin. So exciting. Beautiful coin, a little picture of the Sunshine Valley area that we are in. Whew, a lot of work, earned it, had a lot of fun. This is a great Geocoin challenge. If it's still running, if you're up in this area, I'd definitely tell you to come here and check it out.
We got our coin. Now what? Well, more geocaching, of course.
Hey guys, we're out at this beautiful lake. We're doing the KVR train GeoArt, and one of the caches is like 120, 130 meters off the road, way down. We're like, why would they put one so far off the road? Well, they put it off the road so you could find this lake that isn't even on the maps. Beautiful lake out here. Let's see if we can find that geocache now. All right. Really close. It's usually hanging in these kind of trees. Oh, I see it. There we go, right there. So all the way out here for a little pill container style, but I won't complain because the view is magnificent.
We enjoyed more stops exploring the Okanagan until things got a little too wild.
And of course, any LANMonkey geocaching video would not be complete without the mandatory Sasquatch sightings. So we're just gonna keep our eyes open. We know Sasquatch is around here somewhere. He's been spotted recently. Sorry, what?
We got a little carried away, but make sure you stick with us for our next adventure when we go backroading with you on some Fraser Valley Forest Service roads. Until then, please like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends, and we'll see you next time for a geocaching adventure.